Hey everybody, Jamie from Marine Doctor's YouTube channel, and today we're looking at a 9.9 Yamaha for a tune-up. But I'll let you guys know ahead of time. Something goes wrong. Yeah, I know, it's another something goes wrong video. Don't click away. This one's pretty cool. This has a pretty solid ending and something interesting. I get to use a new tool. So let's go. This is our 9.9 Yamaha, and in order to speed things up, I've decided to loosen the spark plugs off so that you guys don't have to watch me do that. And we'll quickly show them. Top, bottom, or like this. So this one is running really rich. This one is running rich, but not running well. So let's go ahead, we'll check compression. I know you guys have seen tons of compression, but those are the steps. Spark compression, make sure the validity of the engine is good. So let's spin this bad boy in there. Give it 5 pulls. Check our compression. 120. We'll check the bottom one. So if the compression checks out okay, what's the next step? Ignition, right? I've already got that hooked up, and I'll let you guys take a peek at that too. Five pulls, around 120, just like the other one is. All right, let's take this out. I'll get you guys moved over to the ignition, or I'll see if I can move the ignition over to you. So I already know we won't jump this large gap. So let's pinch it a bit. And I tried a new coil on here earlier and it still won't jump that gap, but that's not what the problem is anyway. All right, let's have a look. All right, I can't see spark from over here. You guys have to verify for me that it's sparking. I know that it does spark. I did the test earlier. All right, let's get this out of the way. All right, we know that the engine runs. The customer came in and said he just wanted a tune-up to verify and make sure that it's gonna run properly for the season. He did though say that it does smoke quite a bit, but he said that this is probably caused by his friend who maybe mixed the oil incorrectly. Let's dig a little deeper. Let's take a look at these spark plugs. Again, the top one versus the bottom one. So the bottom one came out wet and the top one came out all carboned. Is this typical of running the incorrect amount of oil? No. It can be though a sign that they've done it repetitively over time and we've carboned up one of the cylinders. So I believe that that top cylinder is indeed carboned up. Have a look. Versus this one. So this one is, it's clean, it's passable. This one though is not. So that leads me to believe there's something wrong inside that engine. Now the cool thing, let's go look inside. So if we look right there, we can see that there's damage on the cylinder wall. That's typical of the piston slapping the cylinder wall, right? So that's caused by the rings not making contact with the wall properly anymore. All right, right there. So we can see that there's piston on that cylinder. We can also see that the rings are leaving lines horizontally. So that means that the air fuel mixture will do the exact same thing. It'll push past the rings. So what does this all mean? There's damage inside that top cylinder. I didn't bother to check the bottom one because there isn't a real reason to. We know that that top cylinder is misfiring and causing issues. So what's happening is that piston is slapping against the sides or up and down as the engine is running and depositing parts of the piston on the cylinder wall. We could also see that there were grooves running horizontal of the old fuel that's still inside the engine and leaving lines. Okay, so if that does it, that means that the air fuel mixture as it burns is gonna do that as well and slip past the rings. So I can't tune this engine up. It doesn't matter again what I do on the outside, I can't fix the inside. Again, it's fixable, it's just not fixable inside of a decent budget. We would have to disassemble the engine, remove the pistons, oversize or hone the cylinders depending on what the measurement is, put new pistons and rings back in, and then it would probably be as good as new. But no, it's not gonna happen. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey, wait, whoa. Like and subscribe, comment below. See you guys next time.